From reactive workflows, the next step is autonomous agents that can act with more independence. So far, interactions have stayed reactive. Chat windows, one-off scripts, prompts, and fine-tuning all wait for human input before doing anything. The bigger idea is to let AI act independently. That requires a shift from passive interaction to active autonomy, with tools that let LLMs reach search engines, use programs, and solve complex tasks in the real world. An AI agent is a system built around an LLM that can plan, reason, and execute steps on its own to reach a specific goal. Unlike a traditional chat model that only responds to a prompt, an agent receives a high-level task and figures out how to complete it independently. A chat-based model gives a single answer to a question. An AI agent takes a goal and breaks it into steps, such as finding a restaurant and making a reservation. First comes planning. The agent decides which steps are needed, such as searching, filtering by rating and patio availability, and checking reservations. Next comes tool use. It can use search, calendar, and reservation tools to carry out those steps. Then comes reasoning. The agent reviews results, goes back if a restaurant is closed, and finishes when the reservation is successfully booked. In essence, an AI agent transforms a passive LLM into an active, goal-oriented problem solver by giving it access to a suite of tools and a framework to use them effectively. That leads to the next question: why agents are needed in the first place? First, separate three workflow types: traditional, AI, and agentic. An agentic workflow is one that uses one or more agents. A workflow is a connected sequence of steps or tasks built to reach a specific business outcome. It shows who does each step, when it happens, and what information are with AI. Workflows can be grouped by how much autonomy the AI or LLM has. That gives three categories. Traditional workflows use no AI. AI workflows use AI in a predetermined order. Agentic workflows are goal-oriented, and the sequence of steps is not fully deterministic. Traditional workflows are the starting point here. They're predefined and rule-based. A traditional workflow follows a predefined sequence of automated tasks or data transformations. It is often built with ETL processes, BPM systems, or integration platforms such as iPaaS. Because these workflows rely on explicit, pre-configured rules and logic, so they do not adapt the way AI-driven workflows can. They are often triggered by events or schedules, and they are. This is the traditional pattern: fixed steps, fixed logic, and a predictable path through the process. Because the steps are rigid and predefined, these systems are strong at predictable work. But they struggle when conditions change or decisions become complex. So exceptions or unforeseen cases, often a simple example, is a script that automatically sorts and files documents using predefined criteria. An AI workflow is a structured, linear sequence of tasks that uses AI tools in a predetermined order to achieve a specific outcome. Each step is clearly defined, and the output of one step becomes the input for the next. That creates predictability and control, and the same input always produces the same. The pattern is simple. One step feeds the next in a fixed sequence. AI-driven workflows add intelligent models that go beyond simple logic. They use machine learning to adapt to changing conditions and handle nuanced tasks. But they still rely on human oversight. For example, AI can route customer support tickets using sentiment analysis, while human agents handle the complex issues. An agentic workflow uses AI agents that can make autonomous decisions and take actions to achieve a goal within the workflow. The workflow still has an overall structure, but the agents can choose which tools to use and how to proceed at certain stages. That flexibility introduces non-determinism because the agent's agentic workflows fit more complex tasks that need adaptability and problem-solving. They also require careful monitoring and control to keep the agent aligned with the desired outcome. This pattern is structured overall, but flexible in how actions are chosen along the way. Agentic workflows give LLMs genuine autonomy and agency. They can plan, execute, and adapt to complex tasks by using external tools and environmental feedback, and they can refine. Their process, one example, is an AI agent that manages a travel itinerary, booking flights, hotels, and activities while adapting to changes and providing real-time updates. Summary. The shift is from reactive chat to proactive agents. Large language models, retrieval, prompting, and fine-tuning are powerful for producing responses, but the bigger goal is to make models act. There are three workflow types. Traditional workflows are rigid and rule-based. AI workflows place AI inside predetermined steps. Agentic workflows go further. AI agents make autonomous decisions and take actions. The next step is learning how to build autonomous agents with AI.